Online Affiliate Marketing Strategy Guide 2022. A simple explanation of what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Affiliate marketing is a way for website owners to generate revenue. It is one of the most popular ways to make money online because it involves putting links on your site that will send your customers to other sites and then you get paid a percentage of the sale. Affiliate marketing is a great way for you to make money without having to be a salesman. Affiliate marketers don't have to sell anything. You just need to find the right affiliate partner. The top affiliate marketing tips from professionals. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online. It usually involves promoting someone else's product and getting paid a commission on each sale. As the number of affiliate marketers increases, the methods for finding success in this field have become more competitive. In order to stand out, you need to know what works and what doesn't when it comes to affiliate marketing. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to know the basics. It's a good idea to understand how affiliate networks work and what their purpose is. Knowing about the different types of commissions can also help you figure out a way to make affiliate marketing work for you. Types of commissions. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel.